In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of buttons on the Dawn theme in Shopify. This is a simple way to match your store buttons with your brand colors and improve the overall look of your website. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are inside your store, look at the left side menu and click on Online Store. Next, click on Themes. Find your active Dawn theme and click the Customize button. This will open the Shopify theme editor where you can edit your store design in real time. Inside the theme editor, open a page that contains buttons such as a product page or home page so you can preview the changes live. Now look toward the top left corner and click on Theme Settings. From the Settings menu, select Colors. Inside the Colors section, look for the option called Button Background. Click on it and choose the new color you want for your buttons. You can use the color picker or paste a custom hex color code if you already have a specific brand color. You can also adjust the button text color to make sure the text remains clear and easy to read. Continue previewing the buttons on your store until you are happy with the new design. Once everything looks good, click Save at the top right corner. And that's it. You've successfully changed the button color on the Dawn theme in Shopify, giving your store a more customized and professional appearance. Thanks for watching and happy customizing on Shopify.